Gonna get back into the news. So, Chico X, what do you have for us? What do you want to share?
Let me tell you, Lily.
Tell me.
Lily C, what
Tell
I got right here. First of all, I want to tell you about something that is going on. This is in regards to the Occupy Wall Street, now Occupy the World movement that is going on everywhere. And so one of the things that is going on that people have organized is the Bank Transfer Day. The Bank Transfer Day is going to take place November 5th. For more information, go to facebook.com/November 5th. And basically what this action that we are that the people is organizing is basically for people to close their accounts with big banks. That includes Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and move their money into credit unions, banks. This move, I think, first of all, I think that this is a very, very, very good move.
It's very strategic.
By us. Very strategic, and because we're hitting the big entities, the big corporations, the big financial institutions where it's going to hurt them the most, which is where the money at. See, that's where they depend on us. They cannot run this society without us, the 99%, contributing with our money. And this is the move that is going to really, really, really send a message to them about our unhappiness with how things are going on. So for people that never heard about credit union institutions, let me give you some websites where you can go and check out information about each of them. And then I'm gonna elaborate a little bit more about
the logistics of a credit union, how it works.
The differences, one of the main differences. So let me give you a list of websites. One is bankonsf.org, bankonoakland.ca.gov, patelco.org, and that's patelco.org, sffirecu.org, necfcu.org, and redwoodcu.org. That's like Redwood City, by the way. And for comparisons between banks, big banks and small banks, you guys should go to bankrate.com. Now, the major differences about credit union bank in a corporate bank is first of all the fees. Credit union bank is not gonna charge you all the crazy fees that Bank of America charges you. It's like the other day, I have money into my bank account. Then they asked me, they told me you should open a savings account, because when you open a savings account and you go overdraft on your
it takes it from the
it takes it from the savings account and puts it into your regular checking account. So you're not being charged at $35 they charge you, which is amazingly high.
And it's like, why don't they just not eliminate the overdraft fees? Just don't
anyway,
don't let me charge it.
It's just like way to taking way more money out of you.
I would rather the store person tell me I can't afford it.
Now the bullshit part is that when they transfer the money, they charge you a transfer fee. You see, all of this is how they come up with all of these bullshit ass fees. Why do you need a fee for transferring money
from your own account?
Yeah, it's like Metro PCS charging you for paying
to pay them. Yes.
When you go to the Metro PCS store, they fucking charge you a fee for paying them.
And they call it a convenience fee. I'm like, what here is
so
convenient about charging me more to pay you? I'm already trying to pay you.
And that's exactly the point of one of the many points of Occupy Wall Street, is to put these corporations, these companies who have been free of any type of regulation, to put them in check and basically say, look, be more fucking reasonable and don't charge us, don't get money out of us for things that you shouldn't be making money out of. You're already making a lot of fucking money.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Okay. So that's one of the major things. Another of the major things is that a credit union bank, it's run by volunteer board of directors, and the volunteer board of directors are basically people like you
community.
and me, people who have an account in that bank like everybody else. There's no hierarchy. There's nothing, as opposed to a regular big bank, which is run by a board of executives who only look for their own benefit. They're not looking for the benefit of the people.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And that's why a lot of the times we're going into crisis, because, they make certain moves that not necessarily make profit for their shareholders or whatever, but they money for themselves. And when a lot of the bailout was going out for these banks, a lot of them gave themselves bonuses.
Yeah.
For that same reason, because they're only looking out for themselves. You know what I mean? So I encourage everybody to do this. It's not only a good move for the movement as a society to put these corporations in check. If you're tired of all of those fucking fees and you spend a countless amount of time on the phone trying to have them take out some of these ridiculous and unnecessary fees, you should do something about it. And this is your time to do it.
Yeah.
And it's also good for you as a customer. The only downside is they don't have as many branches, but you're gonna save more money by not being charged all of these stupid ass crazy fees that big banks charge.
And a lot of them are also in collaboration with each other, so you may use ATMs for other credit unions, just to make it a little bit more convenient for people that do use credit unions.
Yeah, it's a really good way of saving money.
So they also offer like better, as far as like loans and stuff. They can also offer like better interest.
With lower interest rates and all of that. It's more community oriented. Basically, they're not looking to fucking rip you out of your money.
Yeah,
you know
they're also
way more reasonable.
More likely to give loans to people in the community. Are investing in the community and making it flourish and grow. And if people are worried about documentation, they also don't require for social security numbers to establish them. No, it's not.
So
required.
if you don't have papers, you can
also open accounts with a credit union. Yeah, I mean, I know of one for sure, Mission SF in San Francisco. I don't know if there's different like policy in different ones, but you can definitely do your research.
I'm gonna tell my mama to open one right there. Anyways, so it's happening November 5th. Spread the word. Go to facebook.com/November.5th and share with your friends, man. Invite your friends, because